Hello, welcome to my next series 17 and ReactJs. This is about common techniques in ReactJs. The common techniques is something like extends or compositions or like this. But beside of that, HOCHigh or component technique is the great and it's really awesome by using as middleware. Okay, let's do this. To do this, we just create a component called HOC test. And in this component, we simply import react components like in other page. Okay. And we create a component constructor and render rectangle. Render, I think render is like this. Return is like this. Okay. It just run one component. Okay, this is just the main component. This kind of HOC test. Okay, in this component, we will have component dip mount function, and this let HOC test. Okay, let's check this component working or not. In our app.js, need to add a new route. HOC test, and need to add right here. HOC test and component is test. Okay. So this happens. Let's put the for test. Okay, I think it should be fine. And then HOC test. Okay, this is the component mount and component. Okay, probably to make little difference because maybe we can have some options before this component mount. Something like check authentications or do something like this. And other component is need to be the same like this. So this is our, for example, in right here, this is our second authentication API, and it need to be common and can be used by every component, isn't it? Okay, this is the kind of HOC can be done with this. And also extends can be done with this. Extend is kind of extends something like the authentications. Okay, let me do. This is a kind of authentication component. Oh, sorry. This is the kind of authentication component, and then we can write here in ASOS get, and maybe this is check and redirect statement in it, and then we can extend this. We can solve this problem, but this is really awesome. This is done really awesome in React. In React that's another way. It's totally amazing, really awesome ways. This is the HOC. using height or a component. You can also land in the internet with HOC. Like this. This is the really awesome way. There's many examples. Okay, of course, I will show this way. How awesome you will know. Okay, so let me first do the HOC. To do HOC, we need to make a class called authentication. Authentication extends component. Okay, in the constructor is the equal component did mount. In this class, we will check authentication. So let's simply do alert before we check authentication. Let's alert. What we need to do? We need to do is before we run this, and this also should be ran. Okay, so after this run, if the authentication is wrong, and we can rewrite to another page, and can be used by every component. This authentication common class. Okay, we need to do this way. That's why this is the best to develop with HOC techniques. Okay, let's check this by solving with HOC. Okay, HOC is a kind of returning the class. Sorry. Okay, let me say this constant and authentication HOC, and this is a kind of function test component, but we can write anything. Okay, and this is the kind of function, and this function is right here, and we can return this class. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, anyway, we can do now. Okay, how we can run with HOC? To run HOC, we can just simply do like this. Copy this, and that's all. That's all we need. Okay, and then we need also this bracket because we need this. Okay, let's run out. Constructor cannot call it as a function. Authentication is a prop. This is because of okay, I just need one more thing is we need to render function, and the render return function. We need to return this pass component. Okay, this parameter we need to return this, and then all the property should be also included in the component, and we need to reference this as a, let me say, child. Reference is something like if we want to call function from the child, we can call this .if.child like this. Okay, whatever. Maybe. Okay, that's all. That's all we need. Okay, let's check. I think it's something is cannot call a class or a function. Australia is fine. I think we can use this constructor because we are not separating the class. Class instead call as a function. Oh, because I really because this is the component. Okay, it's working now. Okay, authentication is also working in this class. Okay, what we need to do is we need to separate this class. Of course, we can separate it, and then before we separate, I'll show you another thing is calling this change function, calling the state from the change function. State something is state login user, and then let me see the ID. Okay, whatever. We can call this from this store, not this store and change. State the login user as authentication. Okay, test authentication. Okay, that's what we need. We can call from the change function, and we can also update to this change. This is really useful in middleware. No, so we can use as a middleware. Okay, this is the example. Okay, I need to show one thing. If we want to do another middleware, like another common function, if we want to add more, we can use more. Okay, this is the authentication, something like role, HOC, and then it's authentication role. Okay, and we can pass authentication role. Just forget it. Okay. Okay, that's all. And then we can use two conversation before we run HOC test. HOC, and then we need to do like this. Okay, that's all. It's really awesome. Let me refresh it. HOC test, authentication, and want to authentication rule. Yes, of course. We can add many HOC class, and we can use like this. We can use every composition with using kind of real way of HOC. It's really awesome. Okay, let's do in authentication. Okay, authentication middleware. Okay, now we are on the real projects, and we need to create a new file, authentication.js. In this authentication, let me see, authentication middleware, authentication, let me see, auth middleware is okay, pretty auth middleware, and then this is the kind of HOC class in auth middleware, and we can export authentication HOC. Let me say this is auth middleware, HOC, and we can export the default auth middleware HOC, and this is the kind of auth middleware class. Okay, we can use this. I think we can use this now. I forget about this. And then I think it's enough. Okay, what we need to do is in the app.js, we need to import this auth middleware from /auth middleware. Okay, here we can select, import it, and we can use like this. Okay, what's we need authentication? Post, of course. Post, we need authentication. of middleware post. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, HOCHigh test. Let's forget about HOCHigh test. Something else. Oh, middleware.js component is not defined. Okay, because we need to import this. Okay, and then let's check again. Okay, in the post it's not right here. Okay, let's go into the post. Yes, authentication required. Of course, we need authentication. So, what we need to do now? We need to do in the component did now. We need to check authentication here. Okay, so in the post we already check authentication. So API get user catch. This don't need in using in this. We just forget it and we need to do anything. Okay, so API get of user.then rest.data. We need to set state is okay. Well, the set state is not really neat now. And the cache fashion is okay like this. Okay, we need to let's do like this and in the constructor props and then you right here assign over this and then we can use it right here. Props. Okay, I think it's very good, and then we don't need to do anything right here. So API is not default. Of course, we need to import this. Sorry. Okay. And then it's the same directory, I think. Can resolve exoconfig because // and exoconfig. Of course. Okay. Going to the post authentication and checking authentication and going to login. Right. This is a really good way of checking authentication by using HOCHigh. Okay, what we do any after getting the user, we need to throw this user ID, isn't it? Okay, we need to do now. Okay, now we need to add state which is login user. With the state equal login user is, let's say, manifest, and then this login user, after getting this, we can set state this login user, and then this is the rest.data.id. Okay, and what we need to do now, after catch error, I think looking storage remove item must be removed, isn't it? Because if it is token and this token is expired or maybe something, we need to remove this token. Okay, this is the right way. Okay, and then let's do it. Story remove a token, and then okay, I think it's right now. Okay, this login user can be get from the child. Of course, we can get it. Okay, let's get from the post.js. Okay. How can we get is sorry, I just saw it. How can we get it? We can. This login user can be give to the pass component. Pass component means the post.js. Okay, we can give as props. It's really amazing way. Straight drop login user. Okay, and then in post.js, what should we do now? Poses this the state drop all that. Okay, we can get like this. This dot get status. This need. Dot get this. Okay, get this. Whatever. It's a get this, and then we can need. We need login user right now. Okay. Straight dot login user. No stage. Props dot login user. Okay, just I left this. I'm sorry. Just left this, and then I need to also alert it right here. Okay, let's check it now. Post. Nothing. Navigation. Okay. So we need to log in and check it. Okay, going to the user post. Nothing. It's nothing. Because it's not waiting the user. It's not waiting this component yet more. Okay. Let's do with this. But it is surely and now surely gets I'm sure surely we have. Yes, of course. It's surely we can have. Okay, but this component, this is so fast and we can catch it. Okay, what we can do is we can do the component get mount, and then okay, we can do now after set state, and then we can call the child function. This dot ref. Okay, let me say refs dot child. Child is right here, and then we can call from the child function. Child function is okay, set login complete like this, but we only call if this exists. Okay, complete. Let me see alt success. Okay, alt success maybe. Alt success. And in alt success function, we need to call get datas. Okay, I think it should be work. Okay, that's the data.id. Okay, of course, my read is success now. Okay, after calling this, and then this the state.data, all that should be. Oh, we need to set state. All the. Let me see this state.order. Where we use. Okay, it's only use, so we can just replace it. That's all we need. How awesome. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, and then it's only the user data. Let's check. Of course, it's only the user data. Okay, that's the way of using HOC and auth middleware. How awesome! React way is amazing, and we can prevent all the routes by using HOC. Okay, let's prevent the create post, and then let's prevent the edit post. And then let's prevent post days, no need to prevent. Okay, that's all. That's all we need. The create post is something we need to do. Something. So in component did mount and subtitle function auth user. Okay, we don't need to do this. We just set state to order. It's no need now. And after says post, yes, of course, says post state is where state.order. Okay, this the state.order is this props login user. That's what we do in post.js. Okay, let me check what others. Okay, no, not other. Okay, just scan this save post. Okay, edit post is also like this. Edit post, we don't need to do this anymore. And then this the state order is this prop.login user. Okay, let's check our read is correct or not. Post.js, and then the create post. Okay, let's check the title something, creation something, and FTF. Okay, the post save is this post save is this is the post save API, and then it's contain order. Okay, of course, this order contain it. Okay, so user post create post is correct. Is edit post might be correct, surely correct. Okay, and then we can log out and call this post but not working, and create post not working, and then edit post. Okay, edit post not working. Okay, that's really awesome. This is the kind of using HOC, and I really like this. I fall in love with this text, with the technique. Okay, I hope you also enjoy watching. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.